Serbian Armed Forces recently inducted new NORA self-propelled howitzers as well as two different types of armored vehicles, Lazars and Milos. Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Defense Nebojša Stefanović, Ph.D., visited the Complex Combat Systems factory in Velika Plana on March 23. He said the military would induct 6 NORA howitzers as well as 6 Lazar and few more Milos armored vehicles in that week. The NORA B-52 155mm self-propelled gun-howitzer is designed to replace older artillery systems in service with the Serbian Army. First 12 NORA B-52s were delivered to the Serbian Army in 2007 and more systems of this type were ordered. The weapon is modular, which provides for the delivery of a number of different options. It is mounted on KAMAZ 6560 and MAN TGS chassis. It can also be mounted on some other truck chassis depending on the user's choice. The NORA B-52 fires all standard NATO 155mm ammunition. It is fitted with an automatic gun loader enabling rate of fire of 6 rounds per minute. Vehicle carries a total of 36 rounds of ammunition. Autoloader holds 12 rounds. Maximum firing range is 20 km with ordinary projectile and 41 km with rocket-assisted projectile.